Looking for the latest Hostinger coupon code and a quick Hostinger review? In this video, I'll show you how to grab the best web hosting deal available right now. To activate the offer, just go through the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, and you'll receive an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months automatically at checkout. Here's where it gets interesting. Most links online usually provide around a 10% extra discount, but this one gives a full 20% extra discount along with 3 additional months, making it one of the top Hostinger deals available right now. If the price doesn't match your region, simply use the flag icon at the top of the page and choose your country to update the pricing instantly. In this Hostinger review, the platform stands out for its speed and ease of use. You get fast performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and lightspeed servers for better efficiency. The Hostinger website builder allows you to create a professional site easily, even if you have no prior experience. With these features, Hostinger is often rated among the best web hosting providers, and every plan is supported by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without any risk. Combining the extra 20% discount with 3 additional months helps reduce the overall cost quite a bit. So if you're ready to get started, you can use the link below or scan the QR code to activate this offer instantly. And when your website grows, you can upgrade easily using tools like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N. To get the full benefit, just click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.